Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Lyft account. So if you've been using Lyft for a certain while in order to commute but somehow got logged out of it and are wondering how you can log in back again, in this video I'm going to show you how exactly that can be done. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Lyft app on your mobile device and then head over to the app. As you open up the app, you will land on an interface like this. So here you can see the Get Started button. Tap on the Get Started button. And as you do that, you'll be asked to enter your phone number. But here it's going to ask you if you also have an account and a new number. So here, because I've already been logged in, I'm just going to type in my phone number over here and then tap on the arrow button. After doing this, it says that a certain code will be sent to you, and then all you have to do is enter the PIN over here. So I'm just going to enter the PIN, and after doing this, I'm automatically directed towards another page and I get logged into my account like this. So when I tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner here, you can see that I've already been logged in. So this is basically how you can log in. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that this video has been of aid to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get notified each time that we come up with a new tutorial video on how to geek. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.